everyone. I don't know if you can tell from the length of my hair, but it has been a long time since I've posted. Luckily, I just finished flying my remaining packs, and it was really good to get back out and fly. It's always pretty therapeutic. It's been a crazy few months, which is why I haven't really been posting. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get back into it here. So whatever flight footage you're about to see, it's not gonna be too great, but we're just gonna say that, you know, everything you see on social media isn't real. So here I'm gonna show you a little bit more of what's real, knocking off some of the rust. Speaking of keeping it real, I'm just gonna go over everything that went wrong when I was flying. So I actually did not break any props today, but I did break this power adapter that powers the GoPro because my GoPro is half broken and doesn't recognize when a battery's plugged in. So I literally have to power it externally. But luckily I had a spare in my bag that I zip tied back down. Then this zip tie holding the antenna down also broke, so I zip tied the zip tie and kept flying. And then I also had a dud battery that's just basically on its last legs. It needs to be retired and recycled. So it's about time for me to buy another set of batteries. So in other news, I haven't totally been slacking off. As you can see, the Miata is much lower than it was before. Probably like 1.5 inches lower, which is hard to believe because it's not that low. It's looking pretty good, although it is pretty dirty right now. Anyways, enjoy whatever flight footage I managed to get, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.